best tubs. Ground hot tubs offer a perfect blend of comfort and luxury. They are easy to install and maintain. These hot tubs enhance outdoor spaces, providing a peaceful retreat. Various designs and sizes cater to different preferences and budgets. Whether you're alone or with friends, a ground hot tub creates an inviting atmosphere. List 1. Comfort hot tubs. 6-person luxury outdoor portable spa. Step into pure relaxation with the Comfort hot tubs, 6-person luxury outdoor portable spa. This above-ground hot tub offers a soothing escape with 44 powerful jets. Gather friends or family and enjoy together. The spacious design ensures everyone has ample room. Perfect for unwinding after a long day. Elevate your outdoor space with this inviting spa experience. Advantages: experience relaxation with the Comfort hot tub's 44 powerful jets. These jets soothe muscles, providing a spa-like experience at home. Perfect for unwinding after a long day. Host fun gatherings with this spacious 6-person hot tub. Ideal for family and friends. Enjoy quality time together outdoors, enhancing social connections. Benefit from its portability for easy setup and relocation. No need for complicated installations. Simply place it above ground wherever you desire. Enjoy luxury features without sacrificing comfort. Adjustable settings cater to individual preferences. Tailor your experience for ultimate relaxation and enjoyment. List number Coquito 2025 Upgrade. Rechargeable experience effortless pool cleaning with the Coquito Extra Vac 110. This rechargeable handheld vacuum offers powerful, cordless suction for up to 60 minutes. Ideal for above-ground pools, hot tubs, and spas up to 20 feet. Dual brush heads ensure thorough cleaning, reaching every corner with ease. A sturdy aluminum pole provides durability and comfort during use. Enjoy a sparkling clean pool with minimal effort. Advantages: enjoy cordless freedom with 60 minutes of powerful suction. Cleaning becomes effortless. Dual brush heads ensure thorough cleaning for various pool surfaces. Sparkling results. Lightweight aluminum pole offers easy maneuverability. Reach every corner. Suitable for above-ground pools, spas, and hot tubs. Versatile use. Perfect for pools up to 20 feet. Ideal for most homes. List number HTH 4249 Pool Care 1-inch chlorine tabs. Transform your cool care routine with HTH 4249 Pool Care 1-inch chlorine tabs. These tablets work wonders by eliminating bacteria and algae, ensuring a cleaner swimming experience. Each tab includes a clarifier, making water crystal clear and inviting. Their slow-dissolving nature offers long-lasting protection, saving you time and effort. Keep your pool sparkling and safe with ease. Enjoy swimming in pristine water every day. Advantages: keeps pool water crystal clear and inviting. A perfect swim. Eliminates bacteria and algae effectively. Safe and healthy swimming. Slow-dissolving formula ensures long-lasting protection. Less frequent applications. Added clarifier enhances water clarity. Beautiful and sparkling pool. Easy-to-use chlorine tabs. Simple pool maintenance. List number. Floating Mini Spa Chemical Dispenser. Transform your spa experience with the Floating Mini Spa Chemical Dispenser. Perfect for spa, hot tub, and pool use. This dispenser effortlessly holds chlorine or bromine tablets. Designed for 1-inch tablets, ensuring consistent water quality. Ideal for inflatable and above-ground pools. Maintain a clean, refreshing environment with ease. Advantages: simplifies pool maintenance. Keeping your pool clean is easier. The dispenser evenly spreads chemicals. Versatile for different pools, suitable for spas, hot tubs, and fountains. Works in inflatable pools too. Adjustable flow control. Control chemical release with adjustable settings. Customized for your needs. Long-lasting use. Holds 1-inch tablets securely. Ensures extended chemical dispersion. Compact and portable. Small size fits any pool. Easy to move and store. List number. SpaGuard Enhanced Shock 2 pounds. SpaGuard Enhanced Shock offers a powerful solution for maintaining crystal clear pool water. Quick dissolving formula eliminates contaminants effectively. This product ensures a safe swimming environment for you and your loved ones. Convenient packaging makes it easy to handle and store. Trusted by pool owners for its reliable results.
Perfect choice for regular pool maintenance.
Advantages: discover clean and clear spa water instantly. Spa Guard Enhanced Shock revitalizes your spa, removing unwanted contaminants. Fast-acting formula means reduced wait time to enjoy your spa. Quickly eliminates odors and impurities for a refreshing experience. Easy-to-use product ensures hassle-free maintenance. Keep your spa in top condition without complicated procedures. Versatile shock treatment suitable for various spa types. Perfect for regular use. Ensuring consistent water quality. Boosts sanitizer performance for maximum effectiveness. Helps maintain optimal spa conditions with minimal effort.